Learn more about SEO and how it can help your business grow by visiting our website today. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's the process of improving your website's visibility in search engine results pages, SERPs. Benefits of SEO: increased website traffic, more leads and customers, improved brand awareness, higher ROI on your marketing budget. How SEO works: search engines like Google use algorithms to rank websites in the SERPs. These algorithms take into account a variety of factors, including the quality and relevance of your website's content, the number and quality of backlinks to your website, and the technical structure of your website. How to improve your SEO? There are a number of things you can do to improve your website's SEO, including creating high-quality, informative content that is relevant to your target audience, building backlinks from high-quality websites, optimizing your website's technical structure. SEO is an important part of any online marketing strategy. By improving your website's SEO, you can increase your website traffic, generate more leads and customers, and improve your brand awareness.